Good morning, First Assembly of God, other friends that will be viewing this video maybe today or sometime this week. We've been going through the book of Acts over the past few weeks, kind of on a journey with the Apostle Paul at this point in the book. And today in our reading from Acts chapter 20, we read these words. When the uproar had ended, Paul sent for the disciples and after encouraging them, said goodbye. And then it goes on to say he traveled through that area speaking many words of encouragement to the people. And I'm just struck by the fact that the Apostle Paul, wherever he went, he brought words of encouragement to the believers. And that says to me, he wasn't there to speak negative words, but he was there to speak positive words of encouragement. And what was he encouraging them towards? What was he encouraging them about? Well, I'm pretty sure that he was encouraging them to stick to the faith, to keep on believing, to keep their hope in all the promises of God, to keep on knowing that God was with them, that Jesus was going to take care of them. And so even in the midst of his difficulties and even in the midst of his travels, wherever he went, the Apostle Paul had a word of encouragement for the believers. Well, you know what? I want to speak a word of encouragement to you today. And that is that in the midst of this pandemic and our isolation from one another or whatever we're going through, to know that Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. I want to encourage you to keep on believing, to keep on hoping, to keep on trusting in him. We have a great and mighty Savior. And I want to encourage you to be an encouragement to someone, maybe today or through this week. Let God use your life as a means of encouragement to someone who may need that encouragement even now. Just a few notes for us. Of course, we're going to be back on our YouTube channel Wednesday night with our life-changing prayer service at 7:15 and Sunday morning again for our worship service at 10 o'clock a.m. And bring someone on with you, if you will. Send them the link. Invite them to join us for those times. I also want to let you know that we're going to be sending out via email a survey to our congregation as we begin to make plans for our eventual reopening. Of course, we'll be doing our best to follow our government's guidelines for us and be sensitive to the needs of our congregation. So it will really help if you would fill out that survey when you get it, send it back in as quickly as possible as we begin to make our plans for the days ahead. I do want to remind us as well that Operation Blessing is up and running. And I was in the office earlier today and saw that we have food in stock. And so if you need help in that way or you know someone who needs help, please send them our way. We want to be a blessing and an encouragement in that way into someone's life. And so, let's be an encouragement to someone. Let's not use this time to speak negative words, but to speak positive words, words of life into those around us. God bless you and have a great day.